I'm so excited to try this. I spend probably between $200 and $300 every 6 weeks or so. It's a very expensive thing to keep my hair fresh and blonde and pretty. It looks super simple, even I can do it. So first we're gonna put a towel on, because I don't wanna ruin my t-shirt. And then we'll divide the hair, so protect first. A little on the ears and around the back, color. And then I'm going to put it in here and give it a good shake. Let's do this. So far, this is really easy. I can't wait to see the results. And all the grays will go away and I'll be fresh and blonde again. Okay, I think we're fully saturated now. I'll be back in 45 minutes. Look at this, you guys. It's amazing. Totally blends my blonde and the gray is gone. I was really intimidated, but it was super easy. Say bye-bye to grays.